We all love spending long summer days at the pool. But for many small critters like frogs, chipmunks, and lizards, swimming pools are a trap with no way out. You see, after an animal falls into a pool, they instinctively swim to the edge looking for an escape route. Chipmunks, mice will quickly become exhausted. Frogs and salamanders have permeable skin that allows chlorine to enter their bodies. In either case, the end result is not good. There's a simple solution to this problem. It's called FrogLog. FrogLog is a small inflatable island with a ramp to the pool deck. It takes only a few minutes to set up and install, and you can add as many of them as you need. Animals will circle around the edge until they bump into the FrogLog, and then they'll climb to safety. So join the thousands of pool owners worldwide who are using FrogLog to save animals, keep their pool water clean, and reduce pool maintenance. So what are you waiting for? FrogLog is available at pool stores, nature stores, and online.
The Weekender is the perfect entry-level above-ground pool and includes everything you need to create the backyard of your dreams. This all-steel above-ground pool features hot-dipped galvanized components, creating a strong structure that will last for years to come. The pool wall offers a neutral pattern and a sand color that is beautifully designed to blend seamlessly with any backyard decor. The Weekender is 48 inches tall and features a resilient 6-inch steel top rails, 5-inch steel vertical uprights, and heavy-duty steel bottom rails that will withstand years of backyard fun. The one-piece injection-molded resin connectors complete the pool, giving it an upscale, modern look. This pool is available in a variety of round sizes and also offers oval sizes, which incorporate a buttress design. With so many options, you are sure to find the perfect size for your backyard enjoyment.